press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi students, today I will discuss about the chapter mensuration. A mensuration part alli I can take on surface areas and volumes of a solid shaped figures. Already know about the solid shapes. Solid shapes are the three-dimensional figures. You know about the cubes, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. In this class we can learn about the some solid shapes. Some solid shapes. First I can take the cuboid. Cuboid is a solid figure. It is bounded by the six rectangular plane. It is a solid figure bounded by six rectangular plane. It is a cuboid. This one is length, this one is breadth, this one is height. Cuboid is a solid shaped figure bounded by the six rectangular shaped plane figures. What is the lateral surface area? What is the lateral surface area? Here it is a cuboid in shape. Lateral surface area means lateral surface area ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಫಿಗರ್ ನ ಸುತ್ತ ಇರೋದು this side and this side. That what is the total surface area ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟಾಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇಸು ಮತ್ತು ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2h into L plus B. 2h into L plus B square units. What is the total surface area? ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾನು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಟಾಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇಸು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square units. What is the volume? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಏರಿಯಾನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. then we have to solve the here solid figures. What is volume? Volume means here volume is a space occupied by the three-dimensional figure, solid figure. ಅಂದ್ರೆ how much quantity of that contains, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಾಕಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ three-dimensional objects is called a volume. Here volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೈಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. Already know about the cube. Here cube is a solid figure whose length, breadth, height all are equal. It is a one of the solid figure. Here length is equal to breadth equal to height. However, what is the lateral surface area of the cube? Lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4 into side square, because here we have to take lateral surface area means lateral surface area ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 4 sides ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. 4 sides ಅಂದ್ರೆ each face is a square in shape. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 4 into side square ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4 into side square. What about the total surface area? Total surface area ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ? we have to take the top and base and also a lateral surface area. Here 6 faces are there, 6 square faces. So we have to take total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into side square. Then what is the volume? ಅಂದ್ರೆ how much it occupies, that solid occupies. Volume of a cube is equal to length into L cube. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ನ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾವೇನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ I can take cylinder. or you know about the cylinder? Cylinder is a solid figure. It has no edges. Cylinder, I can take cylinder. It is a cylinder. ಏನಿದೆ ನೋ ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೇಸ್, ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇನ್ ಶೇಪ್. ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇನ್ ಬೇಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್? ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ cylinder is equal to, lateral surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Here total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Here you know about the cylinder already. Lateral surface area means you have to take the area of that rounds. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫಿಗರ್ ನ ಸುತ್ತ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Total surface area you have to take the top and base and also a lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. From these figure, ಈ 3 figures ಇಂದ, ಈ 3 formulas, 3 figures ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. Here also, cylinder also we have to take the lateral surface area, total surface area and volume. Lateral surface area nothing but curved surface area ಅಂತನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. lateral surface area ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? curved surface area ಅಂತನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. From these formulas ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? we have to solve the some problems. We have to take problem. Here example 1. There are 2 cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box the lesser amount of material to make? There are, question 1, there are 2 cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make. So I can take 2 solid figures. Here this is cuboid, length 60 centimeter and breadth 40 centimeter and height 50 centimeter. Next, another box is in cube shape. Here length 50 centimeter, breadth 50 centimeter and height also 50 centimeter. Here there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires lesser amount of material to make? Which box have the lesser amount to material to make? So we have to find out the total surface area of the two boxes. Solution. First figure is cuboid in shape. Next one is cube in shape. Here length, breadth and height are equal. Cube in shape. So I can take total here. Length is equal to 60 meter. First given pattern ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Breadth is equal to 40 centimeter. Then height is equal to 50 centimeter. Height is equal to 50 centimeter. Next I can take the total surface area. Total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into total surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus LB plus BH plus HL. That will be equal to 2 into L. Here L is equal to 60, B is equal to 40 plus B is equal to 40 into 50. 40 into 50 plus HL 50 plus 50 into 60. That will be equal to 2 into 6 4s are 24. LB 2400 plus 5 4s are 20 2000 plus 6 5s are 30. That will be equal to 2 into 2400 2000 3000 400. 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 7400. That will be equal to 2 zeros are 0 2 zeros are 0 2 4s are 8 2 7s are 14,800 centimeter square. 14,800 centimeter square. Here the all length, breadth and heights are the equal. This is figure 1. This is figure 1. I can take figure 2. In figure 2, what is length? Length is equal to 50 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 50 centimeter. Then height is also is equal to 50 centimeter. Here 3 measurements are equal. So I can take the total surface area of a cube. What is the total surface area of a cube? That will be equal to 6 into a square. 6 into a square or 6 into side square or 6 into L square. That will be equal to 6 into, here I can take L square, any one side, 6 into 50 square, 6 into 50 square, 6 as it is. 50 square is equal to 5 5s are 25, 2 zeros, 6 0 0 6 0 0 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 15,000 centimeter square, 15,000 centimeter square. Here 14,800, here 15,000. What is the lesser amount of the material to make? Therefore this figure 1 take the lesser amount of material to make. So hagagi therefore figure 1 has lesser amount ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Amount of material to make, lesser amount of material to make. Here figure 2 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 15,000 ಇದೆ, ಫಿಗರ್ 1 ಏನಿದೆ 14,800. ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಏರಿಯಾಸ್, ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಫಿಗರ್ 1 ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದಿ ಲೆಸರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಿಗರ್ 1 ಅಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ 2. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. So I can take the question number second. A suitcase with measures, a suitcase, question number 2. A suitcase with measures, measure 80 centimeter, measures 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter, 24 centimeter is to be covered with a covered with a tarpaulin cloth, with a tarpaulin cloth, how many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter, of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase, cover 100 such suitcase. Here a suitcase with measures 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಇಂದ suitcase ಅನ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Here measurements of the suitcase will be given. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 90 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆಗ 100 suitcase ಅನ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ how many meters of length of the cloth is required to cover the such suitcase? So here measurements of the suitcase is given, width of the tarpaulin cloth is be given. Next we have to find out the length of the tarpaulin cloth and also find out the length of the cloth for 100 such suitcase, length of the cloth for 100 such suitcase. So I can take first here total surface area of the, first we have to find out the total surface area of the suitcase. We get the ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾತ್. ಹಿಯರ್ tarpaulin cloth will be in a rectangular in shape, here width will be given, in this total surface area you have to find out the length of the cloth. Cloth in a length and find out ಮಾಡಿ, then measure the 100 such suitcase. We have to find out the measurement of the 100 such suitcase. Solution. First given part, what will be the given? Here length is equal to 80 centimeter, breadth is equal to 48 centimeter and height is equal to 24 centimeter of the suitcase will be given. Next length of the, or width of the, not length, width of the tarpaulin cloth will be given, width of the tarpaulin cloth. First I will find out the total surface area of the suitcase. Total surface area of a suitcase is equal to, total surface area of a suitcase is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, because suitcase is in the shape of the cuboid. Suitcase in the shape of the cuboid, so if you have to take the total surface area of the cuboid, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Substitute the values. Here 2 into, here L is equal to 80 into 48 plus B 48 into 24 plus HL 24 into 80, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Simplify that one. 2 into 80 into 48. 8 8 za 64. 8 8 za 64. 8 4 za 32. 32 plus 6 38. Plus 28 into 48 into 24. 48 into 24. So simplify in this side. 24. 4 8 za 32. 4 4 za 16. 16 plus 3 19. 2 8 za 16. 1 carry 6. 2 4 za 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 9 plus 1 15 11. So 1152 plus here 24 into 80. 24 into 80. 8 4 za 32. 3 carry 2. 8 2 za 16. 16 plus 3 19. 1920. Add these three. 2 into here 3840, 1152, 1922. 2 plus 7, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, that will be equal to 11. 9 plus 1 10, 11, 19. That 1 plus 1 2, 3, 3 plus 3 6. 6912. 6912 into 2. 2 2 za 4. 2 1 za 2. 2 9 za 18. 2 8 za 16. 2 8 za 16. Sorry. 2 6 za 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13,824 centimeter square. 13,824 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of a suitcase. Total surface area of a suitcase. Next we have to find out the length of the tarpaulin cloth. It is in rectangle shape. So what is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here area will be given, breadth will be given. We have to find out the length. Next I can take width is equal to width of the suitcase. Width of the suitcase, that will be B is equal to 96 centimeter. 96 centimeter. Therefore area of a tarpaulin cloth, area of a tarpaulin cloth is equal to length into breadth is equal to 13,824. 13,824. Here breadth is given. L into 96 is equal to 13,824. Therefore L is equal to next I can find out the length. L is equal to 13,824 divided by 96. That will be equal to, ಈಗ 96 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Here 96 ones are 96, 96 ones are 96. Here 2 ಇಂದನೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ನೇರವಾಗಾದರೂ 96 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ 3 ಇಂದನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ 2 + 4 6, 6 + 1 7, 7 10, 10 18. ಇದು 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ 3 ಇಂದನೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 3 3s 3 2s 3 4s 12, 3 9s 18, 18 0, 3 8s 24, 3 8s 24. Next 2 ಇಂದ 2 1s 2 6s 2 2s 2 4s 2 5s 10, 2 4s 8. Next 2 8s 16, 2 1s 2 2s 2 2s 2 7s. Next 8 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 8 1s 8, 4 remains 42, 8 4s 32, 3 4s 12, 3 9s 18, 0, 3 8s 24, 3 2 2s 4, 2 4s 8, 2 5s 10, 10, 2 5s 10, 2 4s 8, 2 1s 2, 2 2s 4, 2 2s 4, 2 7s 14. ಅಥವಾ 13824 divided by 96. 96 ones 96. 88 minus 6 is equal to 2. 13 minus 9 is equal to 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. 2 remains. 4 za 4 6 za 24. 4 9 za 4 9 za 36. 36 plus 2 38. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. 4 ನ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 384 ಆಯಿತು. 96 4s 384. That will be equal to 144. Length of the tarpaulin cloth is equal to 144 centimeter. 144 centimeter. Here we have to find out the length for 100 such suitcase. Length for the 100 such suitcase is equal to the length for required for 100 such suitcase is equal to, therefore length required for 100 such suitcase is equal to 144 into 100. 144 into 100, that will be equal to 144, 2 zeros, 14,400 centimeter. 14,400 centimeter. It will be converted into meter. Meter go convert ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That will be equal to 14,400 divided by, because 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So I can divide it by 100. 2020 get cancelled. 144 meter. 144 meter. Therefore length of the length required for 100 such suitcase is equal to 144 meter. Next one, next problem. Find the side of a cube. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Here total surface area is given. Find out the side of the cube. Third one, find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Solution. Here area will be given. Surface area or total surface area of a cube is equal to, what is the total surface area of a cube? That will be equal to 6a square or 6 into side square, 6l square or 6a square. That will be given. Here area will be given. 6a square is equal to 600. 6a square is equal to 600. Here I can take a is the side of the cube, one side of the cube. A square is equal to 600 divided by 6. 600 divided by 6, that will be equal to 6 ones are 0, 0, 100. A square is equal to 100. A is equal to the side. Here side is, we have to find out the side of the cube. So side is equal to square root of 100. That will be equal to 10 centimeter. Square root of 100 is equal to 10 centimeter. Here total surface area is given. We have to find out the side of the cube. Here side is equal to, therefore side of a cube is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore side of a cube, A is equal to 10 centimeter. Next, I can take the next question. Next question, fourth one. Ruxer painted the outside the cabinet of a measure. Ruxer, question number fourth one. Are you? Ruxer painted the outside of the cabinet. Painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter into 1.5 meter. How much surface area? How much surface area did she cover? How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet, except the bottom of the cabinet. Here figure is given. Ruxer painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter length, 2 meter breadth, 1.5 meter height. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? Here painted all the 4 walls and also top. Here she can accept the bottom of the cabinet. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿರೋ 5 ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಏನು ಫೇಸಸ್ಗೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ how much area she cover, did she cover? So we have to find out the total surface area. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಶಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಪೇಂಟೆಡ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೆಂತ್, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ cabinet is given. Solution: length is equal to 1 meter, breadth is equal to 2 meter and height is equal to 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter. All except the bottom of the cabinet. She painted all the cabinet except the bottom of the cabinet. So here we have to first find out the total surface area of the cabinet. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಪೇಂಟೆಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಪೇಂಟೆಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ is equal to, it is in a length, breadth, height ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is in a cuboid shape. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. LB plus BH plus HL. That will be equal to 2 into L. Here L is equal to 1 meter. 1 into 2 plus B into H. 2 into 1.5. 2 into 1.5 plus H into L. 1.5 into 1. 1.5 into 1. Simplify that one. 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus 1.5 into 2. 15 twos are 33.0 plus 15 ones are 15. 1.5. 15 ones are 15. 1.5. So add these three. 2 into 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6.5. 6.5 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Here meter is there. So meter square. Meter. Total surface area. What is the bottom of the area of the bottom? Bottom of the cabinet. Here bottom of the cabinet, it is in a rectangular shape. What is the area of the rectangle? That will be length into breadth. So I can take area of a bottom is equal to length into breadth. That will be equal to, here what is the length? 1 meter. Length is equal to 1 meter. Breadth is equal to 2 meter. 1 into 2, that will be equal to 2 meter square. 2 meter square. What we can find out? Painted area. Painted area is equal to painted. Therefore, painted area is equal to total area minus area of a bottom. Area of a bottom. That will be equal to, total area is equal to how much here? 13 meter square. 13 meter square minus area of the bottom is equal to 2, that will be equal to 11 meter square. Painted area is equal to 11 meter square. Clear? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ she painted 11 meter square area na ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ, she can be painted. Next I can take the next example. Next question. Next one. Question number 5th one. Here Daniel is painting the walls and the ceiling of the cuboidal hall with the length, breadth and height of 15 cm, 10 cm and 7 cm respectively. From each can paint 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? Here Daniel painted the walls of and ceiling, 4 walls and the top. Here measurements are given, length, breadth and heights are given. From one can, each can a paint 100 meter square area. One can ಎಷ್ಟು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, 100 meter square area can area ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ how many cans she needed, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ 4 walls and the ceiling, 5 walls ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That will be equal to, I can take the question. Daniel is painting the walls painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall. Hall is in the shape of the cuboid with length, cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height, length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she needed to paint the room? Here length, breadth and height of the cuboidal hall will be given. Length, breadth and height of the cuboidal hall will be given. Here length is equal to solution. Length L is equal to 15 centimeter and breadth B is equal to 10, sorry meter, not centimeter, meter. B is equal to 10 meter and height is equal to 7 meter. Height is equal to, each can of paint 100 meter square area is painted. How many cans of paint will she needed to paint it? How many cans of paint will she needed to paint the room? Here length, breadth and height will be given. Here we have to find out the area of the four walls and the ceiling, not bottom of the wall. So ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಎರಡು ರೀತಿನೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಾಟಮ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ minus area of a bottom. Total surface area is equal to what? Here total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. LB plus BH plus HL. Area of the bottom is equal to L into B. It is a rectangular shape, length into breadth. So we have to simplify that one. That will be equal to 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL minus LB. ಈ 2LB ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ LB ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get the LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. Substitute the values here. That will be equal to 2 into L. Sorry, LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. L into B. L is equal to 15 into 10 plus B is equal to 10, 2 into 10 into 7 plus 2 into 7 into plus L is equal to 50. Here LB plus 2 into BH plus 2 into HL. That will be equal to, simplify, 15 tens are 15 ones are 15, 0 ಗೆ 0 ಅಥವಾ 15 tens are 150 plus 10 sevens are 70, 10 sevens are 70, 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 14, 0 ಗೆ 0 ನ ಹಾಕಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ plus 15 sevens are 50, 15 here 15 is there, 15 sevens are 15 sevens are 7, 105 into 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2, 210. Add these three, that will be equal to 150, 140, 210, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. That will be equal to 500 meter square. Here meter square. This is the area of the four walls and the ceiling. This is the area of the four walls and the ceiling. Here area of one can painted will be 100 meter square. What will be the number of cans? Number of cans. Area of to be painted is equal to number of cans needed is equal to number of cans needed is equal to number of cans needed is equal to area of painted divided by area of painted divided by area painted by one can, area painted by one can, that will be equal to area painted will be equal to total area painted is equal to 500 meter square. Area painted by one can is equal to 100 meter square. 0 0 get cancelled, that will be equal to 5 cans. Agare number of cans needed is equal to 5 cans. Next question, next one, sixth one. Here two figures are given, here one cylinder and the one cube is given. Describe how two figures right are alike, how they are different, which box has the lateral surface area. One is the cylinder, another one is the cuboid. We have to find out the lateral surface area of the two figures, lateral surface area of the cylinder and also a lateral surface area of the cube. Describe how two figures alike, sixth one, and how they different. Sixth one I can take, which box has the larger lateral surface area. So I can take the two figures. This one is the cylinder. Here cylinder diameter is given 7 centimeter and also height is given. Height is a 7 centimeter. Next figure, it is in cube shape. Here length is equal to 7 centimeter, breadth is equal to 7 centimeter and height is also 7 centimeter. Length, breadth and height is also 7 centimeter. Here measurements are same, here diameter same, heights are same. Here also length, breadth and height also same. What is the lateral surface area of these two figures? How they differ? Which one is the larger lateral surface area? So first I can take the cylinder. Lateral surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Lateral surface area of a cylinder. First figure is the cylinder, so I can take the lateral surface area of a cylinder. Here diameter is given, we have to diameter and tagondu, we have to take the yen tagobek next radius anna tagobek diameter inda. Here first figure alli given parts anna tagolana. First figure 1, diameter D is equal to 7 centimeter, radius R is equal to D by 2. Radius ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ D by 2, that will be equal to 7 by 2. Height H is equal to 7 centimeter. First figure, lateral surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Substitute the value. 2 into pi is equal to, what is the pi value? 22 by 7. R is equal to, here radius is equal to 7 by 2. What is the value of H? H is equal to 7. 2 get cancelled. Here 7 get cancelled. 22 into 7. 7 2s are 14. 1 carry. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. 154 centimeter square. This is the lateral surface area of the cylinder. This is the lateral surface area of the cylinder. Next figure I can take figure 2. Second figure alli ಏನಿದೆ, here length, breadth and height all are equal. All are equal. Equal ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಗೆ ಬರೋದೇನು? This is a cube. This is a cube. What is the lateral surface area of the cube? lateral surface area of a cube is equal to, lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4 into a square. Cube is equal to 4 into a square or 4 into side square. That will be equal to 4 into, here what is the side? Here length is equal to breadth is equal to height is equal to 7 centimeter. That will be equal to 4 into 7 square. 4 into 7 square. 7 square, that will be equal to 4 into 7 square is equal to 7 7 ja 49. 49 into 4. 4 9 ja 36. 4 4 ja 16. 16 plus 3 is equal to 196 centimeter square. 196 centimeter square. This one is the 154 centimeter square. Cylinder is the 154 centimeter square. Cube is the 196 centimeter square. Which box has larger lateral surface area? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡೂ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇವೆರಡೂ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದಿ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಫಿಗರ್ 2 is the larger surface area. Larger surface area. This is 196, this is 154. Thank you one and all.